Now we are going to see about Fibonacci sequence. That is, we have to print a Fibonacci sequence. If I give the input as some 3 means, it should return the Fibonacci number that is present at the index 3. So here at the index 3 is 1 is present. So at index 1 0 is present, at index 2 1 is present, and index 3 is 1 is present. So if I pass the input as 3 means 1 must be printed as output. So the Fibonacci sequence is like this only. So 0 1. So if I add 0 plus 1 means the next statement becomes 1. If I add 1 plus 1 means the next statement becomes 2. If I add 1 plus 2, next 3. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 3 8. So the next statement will be the sum of the previous two statements. Initially 0 and 1 will be there. So this is the Fibonacci sequence. So let me run the program. Let me go through the program for you. So driver program, here only the program starts, that is print Fibonacci of int input. I am passing the input. Let me pass the input as 3. So it will call the Fibonacci function for which the value 3 has been passed. So n is 3 here. So it will go to the define Fibonacci function. So here 3 has been passed as an input. Then if n is less than 0, so 3 is less than 0, which is false, so it will not print incorrect input. So it will go to elif 3 is equal to 1, which is false. Then again elif 3 is equal to 2, which is also false. So it will go to the else part where return Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. Again the Fibonacci function is called here. This is called recursive function. Again it will call. So Fibonacci of 3 minus 1 plus Fibonacci of 3 minus 2. So Fibonacci of 3 minus 1 is 2. That is Fibonacci of 2 plus Fibonacci of 3 minus 2 is 1. That is Fibonacci of 2 plus Fibonacci of 1. So Fibonacci of 2 means 2 is less than 0, which is false. So it is if n is equal to 1, which is also false. N is equal to 2 is true. That is 2 is equal to 2 is true. So it will return 1 here. So 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2 is 1. Fibonacci of 1. So if 1 is less than 0, which is also false, if n is equal to 1, here n is 1. So 1 is equal to 1 is true. So it will return 0. So at last it will return 1 plus 0, that is 1. So it will return the answer as 1 here. So let me run the program for you so that you can better understand it. So if I pass the input as 3, it will print 1. If I pass the input as 5, it will print 3, because at the fifth position 3 is present. 1 2 3 4 5. So at fifth position 3 is present. So this is how Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci program runs. Thank you for watching.